Aspirants, welcome back to Wi-Fi Learning Resource. Important update for all those candidates who appeared for the Junior Assistant exam held on 15 June 2024 at Sri Aurobindo College, University of Delhi. Total 69 candidates have been shortlisted for the next stage, that is the skill test, typing test. Check your roll number in the official notification to confirm your eligibility for the skill test. Typing test hoga Sunday, 22 June 2025 at Shaheed Bhagat Singh College, Seminar Room, C5. Reporting time hai dophar ke 2:30 baje sharp. Typing test will be conducted on computer. Shortlisted candidates must bring their admit card issued by the college and a valid photo ID card like Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license या passport. Important note, roll number, test date और test center जान से verify करें. किसी भी condition में test date या center change नहीं होगा. Best of luck to all shortlisted candidates. Stay connected with Wi-Fi Learning Resource for more updates.